Hi, I'm Filippo Ferrucci, and today, together with my colleague Katua Mirker, we participated to Veneto Stars Challenge as Team Vinito. Vinito is a comprehensive platform that supports sustainable agriculture and empowers wine producers to contain flavescence spread. Vinito is an app and web-based platform which provides winemakers actionable decision support by combining Earth observation, drone images, and machine learning to monitor and improve plants' health monitoring, farm efficiency, and sustainability. Veneto Stars is extremely important to us because Veneto has the highest wine production in Italy and 1/3 of the total national exports. So we believe we can contribute deeply to the region's sustainable practices. Thank you.